Hello guys, welcome to Joseph IT, your technology entertainer. Today in this tutorial of Joseph IT, I'm going to show you how to turn your 12-hour time to 24 hours time or your 24 hours time to 12 hour easily with the latest update of Windows 10. Okay, if you're having the problem of 24 hours time, then I'm just going to fix it. I'm going to show you the whole procedure. So first of all, I'm going to start and typing date and time settings. Okay, and going there. And then simply at the left side click on region, and at the bottom click on change data format. Okay, and now simply hit to the bottom at short time and click there, and here you'll be able to find four options. Okay, AM and PM. As you can see, my current time is 2:20 PM local time, so first two are 12-hour time formats, but if I choose to the third one, that is 9:40 without any AM or PM, then it will be as 24 hours time, and as you can see it is 14:20. Okay, and also the last one, that is with 0 as 14:20. Okay, now if you are having just 24 hours time, then simply hit to the first or second one, and if you are having 12 hour and willing to change to 24 hours time, then go to third or fourth one. Okay, but right now the first one is better for me. Okay, and the current time is 2:20 PM, and that's a simple way of doing so, changing your 12-hour time to 24 hour or 24 hours time to 12 hour easily with the latest update of Windows 10. I think you really found this video useful, this short video, and if you really found this video useful, then please like the video, share your experiences, suggestions, and subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.